Hope you had an amazing week. Today I am going to cook chicken fry with banana stems. An authentic Northeast Indian recipe, also known as Posola chicken in Assamese. Posola means banana stems. The ingredients required for this dish are chicken chopped into small pieces. For this recipe, we use banana stems core, and the tender the better. Then thinly slice it and soak it in water with little salt for 5 minutes. Rinse it thoroughly and mash it with your hands. Onions, bay leaf, turmeric powder, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, dried red chilies, salt and oil. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add the onions and fry it on a medium flame. Once the onions turn translucent, add the ginger garlic paste and cook it for a minute. Then add bay leaves, dried red chilies, turmeric, salt and cumin powder. Stir them well and cook it for a minute. Now add the chicken pieces. Stir it well and open cook it for a couple of minutes. Then add the banana stems. Stir it well. Cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Finally open cook it for a couple of minutes until the water is completely dry. My dish looks ready. Can't wait to try it. Here is my Posola chicken. The chicken is delicious and slightly spicy. The banana stems made it crunchy and flavorful. This is a side dish and often relished with puris or chapattis in Assam. I love mine with sticky rice. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments, and if you love it, do give it a big thumbs up and see you next week.